Now I'm recording. Look at me. Come on.
Oh. Ow.
See what you get?
My face is funny now. What? Oh, you're lucky.
Well, what did you try to do?
Throw tape at you.
You threw it at the chair, didn't you?
I think it went on the floor.
Oh.
What?
Sock power. At least they're clean. Just snip them.
No.
Yeah, you did. I can rewind and look.
Oh, yay, he's done.
Is he?
Let's go.
Ew! Why is he in your skin stretch?
I'm trying to make it higher.
Record him coming from Timmy's.
His date.
His date.
See you. Oh, some of my eyebrows came off.
Harsh!
I
Let's see.
just ripped it off.
Oh my god. Way to wax yourself.
I needed a thinning anyway.
Oh my.